Well, this arrived today, so it was not supposed to arrive, believe it or not, until the 3rd of December, but it arrived today, which was very good because my drone arrived yesterday. So what do we have in here? Whoops! We have a lot of things. We have some scent pegs. We have some stickers to go on the edge, and we have a helicopter landing pad. So, very nice indeed. I'll have to learn how to put that back together again, I think. But I'm sure there's an easy way. Putting it all back in its box. In the meantime, I'll put it up there. It looks like one of the tent pegs has disappeared under something. So we'll have to find that later because there are only 2 tent pegs that I can see in this big box. Here we have the new Mavic Mini. So let's open her up and see what we've got. Okay, this arrived yesterday all the way from China. I suppose I could have bought it off Amazon, but I bought it direct off DJI. So let's see what is in the box. Everybody does an unboxing. Inside the box there is an invoice, a delivery slip. I bought an SD card to go with it. It would have been cheaper to buy the SD card from Amazon rather than from DJI, but this is the one that they were selling to go with the drone, so I thought that was a good idea. And this is the Mavic Mini Everyday Flycam Flymore combo kit. So let's see what's inside. Usual cellophane wrapping. Lots of it by the looks of things. Looks like the static has got to it. Okay, so the box has a little sticky tab at the top, which we will cut off, and inside the box you can see we have the bag and another box. There are also 2 boxes at the bottom. Oh, I tell a lie, there are actually 3 boxes at the bottom. And the boxes are labelled, so that looks like instructions, that looks like batteries, And that looks like a charger. This, I believe, yes, are the propeller guards, and inside here we should find the Mavic Mini. So it comes with protection on the propellers, it needs to be removed, protection on the gimbal housing, and protection on the rear cover. There's a little sticker inside, can't see it too well, but it looks like it's how you should actually open that. You then have the battery charging box. So 3 slots for the battery. On the edge there's an on-off button, a USB mini and an ordinary USB, and that's everything there. You then have the controller, so here is the controller, and there are some instructions on the front. If we unfold the arms, and it looks like there are 2 joysticks, which, yep, so the joysticks are underneath. Okay, and they fit in very nicely. Looks like a power on and off, auto land and possibly auto take off, probably to take a photograph or to start the video. That's for the photograph. I believe that's for the gimbal. So, and then you've got the antennas on the top, which little bit of pressure needed. Turn them round. One's one way on and the other's the other way on. I thought they would be both on the same way round, but obviously not. And you're supposed to have them parallel to each other and facing the drone, so I'm told. On the back there is a QR code, so I imagine that's to get some information from DJI. So we've got the QR code. Right, I'll put that away. So it seems that everything folds up nicely, and the antenna, there's a little clip there. Right, we have another box which I've just taken out from below, and inside that box we have spare propellers, 3 packets of spare propellers with spare screws, and you then have another box, and no idea how you get into this. You have some spare joysticks, have a screwdriver, connection cables for your phone, so joysticks, and then 2 USB A to mini charging leads. Okay. The battery box contains 3 batteries. I'll close them up because they'll need charging. And the final box is the charger, and this is rated at 5 volts 3 amps and 9 volts 2 amps and 12 volts 1.5 amps. I don't know if you can see that on there. Hopefully you can. It's actually quite well packaged. It's not just rattling around in the box. So, okay, so we have what looks to be instruction manuals, and these open at the bottom. And yes, I'm correct, there's all sorts of information and instructions included in there. Okay, so I'll just pop those back inside, and then finally in this big box are the propeller guards. So we'll just have a look at one, because I'm sure that both of them will be the same. And so they are very, very light, actually very light, and I imagine that they don't feel very sturdy, but I'm sure they protect the propellers. And these clips, the clips here, will clip onto the arms of the drone. Obviously one is for the front and one is for the rear. We'll need to find out which is which. Okay, so I shall go and read the instructions. I will charge up the batteries. I will download the app onto my phone. I will, once I've got everything ready, I'll come back and I'll show you the app on the phone. Now, where I live is a no-fly zone. You are just not allowed to fly anything here. Though I imagine that the Mavic Mini might say that I'm in a possible authorization zone. You are just not authorized. You have to get special authorization to fly here, because we have something like 10 airports within the vicinity, 2 of which are big international airports. So I will have to find somewhere to fly it, and that will probably be on Friday. Today is Wednesday afternoon. Just so you know, I'm in my man cave. I hope the light is okay. We have a number of we have a number of LED lights running at the moment. I'm actually running 3 cameras at the moment, just to see which is best. In my hand is a GoPro. On the tripod there is a cheap Move It, I think it is, and actually clipped onto the shelving unit, I don't know if you can see that, is an Axeco, and so we'll have to see what happens. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.